Let's be completely honest with ourselves. How many hours a week do you waste switching between different IDE windows, chasing down a broken API contract? You make a change in the backend, you spin up your front-end terminal, it throws an unhandled error, and then you jump into your infrastructure code to check if an environment variable was even passed correctly. You are debugging microservices in total silos. And because your project is split across separate Git repositories, your IDE is blind. Even worse, your AI assistant is blind. If your AI doesn't have cross-repo context, it's not helping you, it's just guessing. Today, we are stopping this madness. I'm going to show you a DevOps secret weapon inside PyCharm to transform decoupled microservices into a unified local monorepo workflow. This will give GitHub Copilot actual full-stack eyes to write your functional integration tests with zero guesswork. Take a look at my screen. Notice something unusual here? This is the bus_station workspace. Under one single window, I have our entire stack, ACPI backend, ACP front, and the infrastructure manifests inside the GitOps folder. No, we didn't force the team to migrate to a massive, complex monorepo in production. These are still separate Git repositories. How did we do this? It's PyCharm's attached directory feature. Instead of opening 3 separate windows, you open your main project folder, or a parent folder, and you go to File-Attached Directory to bring the other repositories into the exact same tree. Now let's talk about brains. To make this work, we need an AI assistant that can read this shared index. We are using GitHub Copilot. And here is a massive pro tip if you are working in academia, learning, or teaching. GitHub Copilot is 100% free for verified students, teachers, and popular open source maintainers. If you qualify for the GitHub Global Campus program, you don't pay a single cent for the subscription. You get access to the complete standard completion engine and Copilot chat. Once your repositories are attached in one window, your GitHub Copilot suddenly gains supervision. Watch this. If you open Copilot chat by hitting Alt plus F12, you can pass context smoothly. Because everything lives in the same workspace tree, you can open your backend API models, open your front-end fetching files, and drop an advanced prompt like this directly into the agent panel. I am working in this project. Using context from the @ACP API backend folder and the @ACP front folder, write an end-to-end functional test using PyTest. Look at what happens behind the scenes. Because the agent has access to the full scope, it doesn't just mock a random payload. It scans the actual validation models in your backend, matches them to the API payload structures calls in your front-end components, checks the security headers or JWT tokens required, and delivers a fully written, production-grade functional test. To wrap this entire workflow into a neat package, we don't even use the terminal to run these. Make sure you run pip install PyTest httpx inside your virtual environment. Then, go to the top right of PyCharm, click Add Configuration, hit the plus icon, and choose Python tests-PyTest. Point the target directory directly to your functional tests directory under your backend. Name it Full Stack System Test. Now, whenever you pull latest changes from main across all repos using a unified Control+T sync, you just hit Shift plus F10. One click, and PyCharm executes the entire end-to-end integration flow right in front of you. Stop working in silos. Stop letting your IDE play blind. Link your directories, activate your Copilot environment, and let automation do the heavy lifting for you. If this quick architectural workflow tip saved you some debugging headache today, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below on how you handle local multi-repo testing. See you in the next one, and happy engineering! Why is this a complete game changer? Because PyCharm compiles a shared internal index across every single file on this list. You can hold Control and click an API endpoint string inside your frontend React or Next.js code, And PyCharm will take you straight to the route controller definition inside your Python backend. No global searching, no guessing. To activate it, just head over to your PyCharm preferences, go to Plugins, search the marketplace for GitHub Copilot, and hit Install. Once restarted, go to Languages and Frameworks-GitHub Copilot, sign in with your verified GitHub account, and your free plan activates instantly. If you aren't a student, the free trial or standard tier still gives you plenty of chat queries to handle exactly what we are about to do next.